The Industrial Revolution in the 1800s was a time of great innovation and ingenuity. All over America's growing land, people were deciding that it was now the perfect opportunity to outstep every other nation by inventing new things. One such inventor, who went by the name of William Austin Burt, was the inventor of the typewriter. How did this come to be? Well, one day, Burt was sitting at home and he had a revelation. I should make a machine that writes things for me. Burt then went to seek out a patent for this machine. Hey, what's up? I need a patent.
What for, sir?
For a writing invention!
What is the nature of this invention?
It writes.
I see. Sir, there's a man here who wants a patent for a machine that writes.
I'm Bert.
Very well, Mr. Burt. Why do you want a patent?
Because I'm going to invent something.
I see. This invention, it writes?
That's correct.
Very good, very good.
So, do I get a patent?
Well, what? Yes. Is that the right answer?
Sure! From that day forward, William Austin Burt traversed around the town searching for the parts that his machine would need. He eventually ended up with what is known as the first index typewriter, as a dial instead of a keyboard was used. However, this machine was only a stepping stone on the way to an actual typewriter. Burt's machine, though ingenious in theory, was too cumbersome to carry around and slower than handwriting. Needless to say, it was later improved with a keyboard, and Burt's patent was never bought.